Marcos Jr. will make us cry. Dadalhin tayo sa kapahamakan, sabi niya. Former Ilocos Sur Governor Lois Chavit Singson directly expressed his opposition to Marcos Jr.'s actions against China. Sabi niya, but I don't like at all what he, meaning si Marcos, he made challenge to China. China said before, they never invaded any country, but Taiwan, they have to get it back because it's ours. American says, don't, let's fight. So ito, problema sa Taiwan. At all cost, nagsabi ng China, i-invade nila ang Taiwan dahil kanila talaga yan. Ayaw nilang, kasi renegade province eh. Since time immemorial, ang Taiwan is part of China. Alam natin yan. At ang China, being a superpower, it's just a matter of time, kailan niya i-invade. Ang US naman, hindi pwede. Lalaban kami. Ganon. So, labanan ng dalawang superpower over a small island. Eh, anong pakialam natin dun? Ito, ang Pangulo nakikialam. Makikipaggera daw tayo. Wala daw tayong choice kundi makipaggera. Anong dahilan nga makipaggera ka sa Taiwan? According to Singson, the situation got worse when Marcos Jr. allowed the return of American military bases to the country again. When BBM goes to the US, the military bases will be returned. Who will you beat? That's where I felt bad. We're going to be in danger. Panahon ng Pinoy administration, dahil ang Pangulong Aquino sunod-sunuran sa US. So, nakakuha ng 5 military bases, EDCA ang tawag. Pagdating ng Marcos Jr., sabi niya noon sa kampanyahan na, friends to all, enemy to no one. Huwag tayong paiipit sa giyera ng dalawang superpower. Very clear yung sabi niya nung kampanyahan. Independent foreign policy. Sabi niya, wow, sabi ko, itong isang hatching, isang bahing lang ng either China or US, we will be wiped out.